ফিজিক্স আইডিয়া চ্যানেলে সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই। আজকে আমরা ক্লাস 10-এর লাইট চ্যাপ্টারের ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টার রিফ্র্যাকশন অফ লাইট অ্যাট প্লেন সারফেসেস এই চ্যাপ্টার নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করব। আজকে আমাদের টপিক হবে রিফ্র্যাকশন, লজ অফ রিফ্র্যাকশন। Refraction of light. বলছে we have read the refraction of light from the plane and spherical mirror. The return of light in the same medium after striking a surface is called refraction of light. The refraction of light, a ray obey two laws. The angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. The incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in one plane. Here we shall study the refraction of light through the plane and spherical surfaces of transparent media. Light has the maximum speed in vacuum and it travels with different speeds in different media. It travels faster in air than in water or in glass. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air, 2.25 cross 10 to the power 8 meter per second in water, and 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in glass. The speed of light remains constant in a transparent homogeneous media while passing from one media to other. If light slow down, the second media is said to be optically denser than the first medium, and if light speed up, the second medium is said to be optically rare than the first medium. Thus, water and glass are optically denser than air, or similarly, glass is optically denser than water, or water is optically rare than glass. Refraction of light. Partial reflection and refraction at the boundary of two different media. In a transparent medium, although light travels in a straight line path, but when a ray of light traveling in one transparent medium sticks obliquely at the surfaces of another transparent medium, a part of light goes back to the same medium obeying the laws of reflection and is called the reflected light. The remaining part of light enters into the other media and travels in a straight path different from its initial direction and is called the reflected light. What is refraction? Now, the change in direction of the path of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called refraction. The refraction of light is essentially a surface phenomenon. S dash, the surface separating two media. S dash, the surface separating two medium air and glass. When light traveling in one medium falls on surfaces S dash, a small part of it is reflected back in the same medium, obeying reflected back obeying the laws of reflection, and the rest of it is refracted through the another medium. That means there is a partial reflection and partial refraction at the boundary surfaces. The intensity of the refracted light will obviously be less than that of the incident light because a part of incident light has suffered reflection. For the incident ray AO, for the incident ray AO is refracted ray is OB. The reflected ray is OC. Reflected ray OC, OB is refracted ray. And the normal at the point of incidence O, is NOM. The angle of incidence I, angle AON, and the angle of refraction হচ্ছে R, angle BOM. Note that angle R is not equal to angle I. OB is not in direction of OA. It has been experimentally observed that when a ray of light travels from a rare medium to a denser medium, say from air to glass, it bends toward the normal. The deviation of the ray is del equals to I minus R. Second condition, when a ray of light travels from a denser medium to rare medium, figure 1 rare medium to denser medium, figure 2 denser medium to rare medium, it bends away from the normal. The deviation of the ray del equals to R minus I. Laws of refraction. The refraction of light obeys two laws from refraction which are given by the youth scientist Wilbur Snell. So they are known as Snell's law after his name. They are the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal at that point of incidence all lie in same plane. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is constant for the pair of given media. Sin I by sin r equals to constant. 1 mu 2, it is called refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. Next day, topic, effect on speed, wavelength and frequency due to refraction of light. অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না।